abs exercises without standing up, without sit up, just laying down. So if you have 8 minutes to check your social media, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or whatever, you can also have 8 minutes to do this workout with me. Let's go, you guys. First move, we are going to lie down and do some leg movement like you're pedaling a bicycle. Don't forget your middle back and lower back all stays pressed in the yoga mat.
I see the fire deep in your eyes. People are spreading.
You can raise your neck like this if you want some more intensity on your abs. Next move, we are going to bend your knee in this position, clasp your forearms together and do some crunches.
Don't ever feel like before, and you'll be reaching the shore. Cause you gotta open the door. Cause you can really get what you want if you are open for more. So get the key to that temple.
The goal is to touch your knee with your forearms. Don't forget to exhale every time you crunch.
You can really go and cure this. That's all of the things in your mind that making you doubt you every time. But you are the phoenix, so you get it bright. So wrap the fear and look it straight in the eyes. Oh, look it straight in the eyes. Look it straight in the eyes. Look it straight in the eyes. Oh, look it straight, yeah, yeah. Oh, look it straight, yeah, yeah. Oh, look it straight, yeah, yeah. Oh, look it straight in the eyes. Look it straight in the ice, man. And be as cold as the ice, man. Cause you gotta stand up, defeating the nightmares. You live in the darkness, and you're seeking for light, man. So use the song and apply the lyrics to your life, man.
Alright, next move, we are going to do some side abs exercise. You can tilt your upper body to the left and right. Your hands positions can be like this or this. And don't forget to exhale when you tilt your upper body. Next, we are going to straighten one of our legs to the ceiling and then do some crunches. If you are not flexible enough, you can just bend your knee. It is alright. This is gonna work our lower abs and side abs. You can peel off your neck off the floor for maximum intensity. Or you can just lie down completely if you are a beginner. It is okay. I am here. We are here for you. Next, other side, same principle, just pulse your straightened leg and do some crunches. Don't forget to control your breathing. Exhale when your leg going towards your chest. Or you can just lie down completely if you are a beginner. There's so many options for you guys. Just make sure you choose where you are comfortable but also challenged. Next, we are going to do some double leg lift, our favorite, but this time you lower one by one and both legs up. One by one, both leg ups. When your both leg is going towards the sky, just do the exhale through your mouth.
Without you, I feel so alive. 'Cause you're free, I'm a maiden dreams. So it makes me wanna scream. Yeah, scream. When I'm in your arms, I cannot breathe. Without you in my life, I feel so alive.
Next up, bend your knee and crunch it towards your chest, one by one. Don't forget to exhale every time you crunch. If you want some more intensity, you can peel off your upper back and neck towards your knee.
So the train will take me home. Now I know what I belong. It feels much better now. You gotta rise like a phoenix. You gotta put in the work. People around making comments. It is all getting absurd, but it is okay when you break through. Cause I know that you will occur. Cause you put in all the hours. You put in all the work. So you gotta rise.
We are going to do some light version of reverse crunch. Peel off your butts off the floor while kicking your legs to the sky. If you want to do some full version reverse crunch, you are very welcome to do so. Just do your best.
You gotta preach in before us.
Almost there, you guys. This is our last move. Hang in there. Control everything.
If you are open for more, so get the key to that temple and go and explore it like you're deep inside of that forest. Just travel around like a tourist and be you is the purest. Cause you can really go.
Yay! Good job, you guys. That is 8 minutes of abs exercises without sit-up, just lying down. So if you have 8 minutes to check your social media, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok or whatever, you can also have 8 minutes to do this workout with me.